Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you what you can do with an Arduino and explore its uses. With an Arduino, you can unlock a world of possibilities. Here are some exciting projects you can create. Number 1. A weather station. You can build your own weather station to monitor temperature, humidity, and mood, and display the data on an LCD screen. Number 2. Robotics. Create a robotic arm that can perform tasks you program it to, like picking up objects or drawing pictures. Number 3. LED displays. Design mesmerizing light shows with LED cubes and matrices, bringing your art to life. Number 4. Home automation. Automate your home with smart lighting, security systems, and more for enhanced convenience. Number 5. Learn coding. Develop coding skills by creating software to control your Arduino, a valuable skill in today's world. Number 6. Drone projects. Build your own drones and explore the sky with your custom-built flying machines. Number 7. Health and fitness. Create health monitoring devices like heart rate monitors and step counters to track your well-being. Number 8. Music and art. Craft musical instruments or interactive art installations with Arduino to express your creativity. So, whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or an aspiring inventor, Arduino empowers you to innovate, learn, and have fun. Don't forget to explore and learn more about Arduino on the TinkerTech channel, your source for exciting Arduino tutorials and inspiration.